Hello and welcome to this calming guided meditation for overachievers. If you're new here, my name is Tati. This is a simple exercise that can be done in any location where you feel safe to close your eyes and be undisturbed for about 6 minutes. This guided meditation will be helpful for you if you are a high achieving person who is feeling stressed, tense, anxious, or overwhelmed. So get comfortable in a seated position. You can place your hands either in your lap or over your knees and close your eyes as we settle in for this meditation. Take a deep breath in through your nose all the way into your belly and out through your mouth. Another deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And one more deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Allow your jaw to soften, shoulders to relax. Allow yourself to settle into your seat. Remember, there is nowhere to be right now, nothing to do. It's okay to loosen the grip of control and busyness, to loosen the tightness within your mind and body. It's okay to let go. Being here is enough. There is nothing you need to accomplish or strive for in this meditation. It is enough to be here with yourself. Now we are going to practice releasing tension in different areas of the body. Bring awareness to the top of your head. Release any tension that's there. Bring awareness to the forehead and allow it to let go. Between the eyebrows, loosen tension in the eyes. Behind the eyes, allow them to relax. And your cheeks, your jaw. Bring awareness to your neck and allow it to relax. Your shoulders, release any tension there. Your upper back, your chest. Bring awareness to the sensations in your belly and release any tension that lies there. To your lower back, your hips. Bring awareness to and release tension in your thighs, your knees. Bring awareness to your calves and shins. And release any tension that has built up there. Your ankles, your feet, and toes. Now we're going to breathe in together, and as you breathe out, I want you to imagine all of the tension dripping away from your body into the ground beneath you. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And now bring your awareness to your breath and just allow your breath to be natural without trying to control it. Notice how your belly rises upon the inhale and falls on the exhale. And if your thoughts wander, if your mind goes to something else, that's okay. That's perfectly normal. Just bring your attention back to the breath. As you breathe in, imagine you are nourishing your body, nourishing your mind, taking time for yourself, recharging, and allowing yourself to rest and be and reconnect with yourself. Now, I want you to bring to mind one thing you are grateful for today. It could be big, it could be small. And once you have that in mind, I want you to really connect with the feelings that brings up within you. The sensations, the emotions, and what you notice in your mind and body. Truly experience and connect with these feelings of gratitude. Now slowly start bringing your awareness to the sounds around you, wiggling your fingers and toes, and gradually opening your eyes. I'm so proud of you for taking this time to care for yourself. You are doing so much and you deserve to rest and let go of the heavy weight you carry upon your shoulders. You are doing enough. You are enough. Thank you so much for joining me today for this meditation. This meditation pairs excellently with my positive affirmations for overachievers, which you can find a link to in the description. Until next time, be calm.